Hello and welcome. Today we're building a tiny Python app that spits out fresh memes like these in under 10 minutes. No Photoshop, no fancy UI, and a sprinkle of OpenAI magic. This is ScriptForgeAI, where we learn by building cool stuff. Ready? Let's meme. We'll grab a classic template, the distracted boyfriend, feed it to DALL-E 3 for a fresh remix, stamp on our own text with pillow, and save the masterpiece to disk. All automated, so you can fire off infinite variations faster than your group chat can reply, LOL. You need 3 things. 1. Git bash. If you're on Windows and don't have it, download Git for Windows, install it, then launch Git bash from your start menu. It also works on macOS and Linux, but any bash-style terminal is fine. 2. Python 3.9 or newer. 3rd, an OpenAI API key. A sign-up link is in the description. Are you ready? Let's get to it. You need your OpenAI API key. Log into your OpenAI account, not in the community, but at openai.com. Once logged into openai.com, go to Settings by clicking the gear icon in the upper right corner of the page. Then look to the left vertical menu and select API keys. Click the green button that says Create New Secret Key. Copy the API key and paste it somewhere safe as you cannot access it later. Set your API key, still in Git bash, export the key so Python can see it. Replace sk your key with your real key. Export open AI underscore API underscore key equals sk your key. Keep git bash open. We will run everything from here. In terminal type pip install OpenAI pillow requests. Then press enter. Installing the dependencies should only take a few seconds. Once they are installed, we will go over the code section by section. Open your code editor, make a new file called mememachine.py and write this code. Once you have entered the code, save the file. Check the description for a list of links to the code in the repository. We will break down our meme machine script section by section so you know exactly what each block does. Let's go over the imports. IO gives us in-memory byte streams so we can turn the image into a PNG without saving a temporary file to disk. OS lets us create folders and build file paths that work on any operating system, Windows, macOS or Linux. Random generates a quick 4-digit number so every meme file gets a unique name, like meme_4721.jpg. Requests handles all HTTP downloads. First, we grab the template JPEG, then we fetch the AI remixed image URL that DALL-E returns. Pathlib, path, a modern, readable way to point to our local font file, Anton TTF, right next to the script. Pillow, image, image draw, image font. These 3 classes do all the heavy lifting, opening images, drawing the text captions, and saving the final JPEG. OpenAI, OpenAI, the official client that talks to DALL-E 3. We call its images create variation method to get a fresh remix of our meme template. And that's the entire import block. Each library solves one specific job in our 4-step meme pipeline. Configuration, lines 14 to 27. Here we set all the project constants. Template, points to the classic distracted boyfriend meme. Captions holds the top and bottom text lines we want to overlay. Output dir is the folder where finished memes will be saved. PNG size forces the image to 1024 by 1024 pixels, a DALL-E requirement. Font file tells Pillow which font file to use. Top margin ratio and bottom margin ratio keep the captions away from the edges. Step 1. Download template, lines 28 to 33. We grab the JPEG from the internet with requests, wrap the bytes in a bytes.io buffer, and open it with Pillow as an RGB image called template. Step 2. Remix with DALL-E 3, lines 34 to 53. First, we convert the template to a 1024 pixel square PNG in memory, because the OpenAI endpoint only accepts PNG files under 4 megabytes. Next, we create an OpenAI client and call images create variation. That returns a URL for a brand new AI remix of our meme. We download that remix and open it with Pillow as remix image. Step 3. Add captions with Pillow, lines 54 to 94. We calculate a dynamic font size at 6% of the image height, then try to load anton.ttf from the script directory. If the font is missing, we fall back to Pillow's default font. Using Image Draw, we place the top caption at 10% of the image height and the bottom caption at 88%. Both lines are center-aligned and outlined in black for readability. Step 4. Save output, lines 94 to 102. We make sure the output folder exists, generate a random file name like meme1234.jpg, save the final image as JPEG, and print the absolute path so the user knows where to find it. That's the entire flow. Download, remix, caption, and save. Run python-meme-machine.py and you'll get a fresh meme every time. Now let's run the code. In terminal, type python-meme-machine.py. It should generate a new meme using the text defined in the code every time you run the program. Now you know how to create a meme machine using Python and OpenAI. The GitHub repo link is in the description. Clone it, add templates, and tag it ScriptForgeAI when you share your creations. If this tutorial helped, hit like and subscribe for more tutorials and fun projects. Go forth and meme responsibly. See you in the next project.